ngenxa yokuthi nje indoda eyodwa egreedy enganeliseki ifuna iNobel Prize winner iSouth Africa ingancamela ukuthi ingene empini phakathi kwamaJews namaPalestinian. Leyo ndoda uCyril Ramaphosa. Buka le video bese ngiyakutshela ukuthi kwenzakalani.
We had a plane of 160 we're carrying 160 Palestinians landing at OR Tambo, and these are people from Gaza who somehow mysteriously were put on a plane that passed by Nairobi and came here. And I said, we cannot turn them back. Even though they do not have the necessary documents and papers, these are people from a strife-torn, a war-torn country. And out of compassion, out of empathy, we must receive them.
Now, asilindeleke ukuthi i-intelligence under i-office le-president singathola i-statement esiqhamuka kumongameli esithi abantu they flew miraculously to South Africa. There is nothing like that. Abantu abasuke eGaza bebenama options amaningi. South Africa was the furthest of them all, but they chose to come to South Africa. Let me pack it there. Angithi uyazi ukuthi uCyril Ramaphosa wahamba wayoqhambukela empini yase-Ukraine neRussia. Thina sibe sekuyi-BRICS kulindeleke ukuthi South Africa hleze izosupport iRussia. Wathena cha, in the context of war asisupport iRussia, siphakathi nendawo. Ngoba efuna ukuthi South Africa ibe umlamuli phakathi kweRussia neUkraine. Wayicabanga ukuthi uzoba favorable between the two presidents, uPutin noZelensky. Kodwa uTrump wafika wam-overtake, wangakwazi ukuyifulfilla leyo mission. So ngaleyo ndlela yamphutha iNobel Prize winner. And the international stage yayibona leyo nto ukuthi lo baba is so desperate. Uhlulwe yimpi yala eDRC. Lapho khona bafuneka mediate between ama-forces eDRC nama-rebels. Yena wafika wathatha iside. IRwanda yakupicka up lokho bam-expose ngenxa yokuthi ubevikela ama-mineral interest wakhe personally ase-DRC. Akagcinanga-ke lapho, uthe mebona impi yaka-Israel isuka nePalestine wabona ukuthi yona opportunity yakhe. Kodwa manje akazukuvela kahle uma izoma phakathi nendawo. Wathatha iside lePalestine ngoba sonke sizolana nePalestine nokuhlukumezeka kwabantu bakhona. Wagijima bayovulela uIsrael icala. Now ke angizokumblame ngokuvulela iIsrael icala. Ama-Israelis, Jews, they've been buying properties eWestern Cape, which is Cape Town. Bepusha i-property value ukuthi ikhuphuke iye phezulu ukuze ama-natives ama-Africans engakwazi ukuthenga iland in Cape Town. That is a plan of a white monopoly capital. Ukuthi behlukanise iWestern Cape with the entire South Africa. And basebenzisa the very same models of Eponrande uIsrael owakwazi ukuwina ngawo ama-territories back to them. Kubantu base-Palestine, they started by buying them. And then until Palestinians could not afford the areas where Israelites were staying. Angibeke eceleni ke futhi naleyo. Now ke, na i-G20 siseduze yeza. uCyril Ramaphosa ufuna ithuba elizomveza njengomuntu othi hey mina ngine compassion, ngine empathy, ngivulele abantu ukuthi bangene ezweni lethu base Palestine. Abase DRC bona, abase Burundi bona, abase Sudan bona, eMozambique khona la kade kuliyo nje eminyangeni edlule. Uqonda ukuthi bonke labo bantu abathutheleke bezela eSouth Africa mongameli. Yini le othuzama ukuyi-achieve ngokucompromise isovereignty yethu ezizwe. Nansi ke into ofuneka siyenze ngoCyril Ramaphosa iyodwa. Sesikhathelo yena akaphume, akahambe, ngoba uma yena ethi une discretion yokuthi avulela abantu, then ke everyone who's working in the border control can exercise that discretion, unless if i-constitution ithi uma sizwa sengathi siba empathy and compassion kufanele sibavulela abantu bengene, even if beqe amazwe amangakanani ngabe baye kuwo ukuze besizakala. Cha, fanele be South Africa ngoba there is empathy, there is compassion. What about us? What about our safety? Now izosuka ke impi le vele eliwayo, but ngeke siwaliwela le eMiddle East, izoliwela la eSouth Africa, because the Israelis working with government osebenza eWestern Cape we-DA, they are at war with the Palestine as we speak. Lo Cyril abafakayo la to create that war and uze iqhubeke iliwele la. Bona they want to achieve i-Cape independence. Thina sifuna uCyril athole i-Nobel Prize win.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Nangibhodela no send message to Ramaphosa saying ukuthi akaphume usisikhathele nguye. One thing about Ramaphosa akamind kuthandwa abantu bemavuqhamuka bemavukuhamba, kuthandwa abantu bangaphandle and into leti rights and le bantu bangaphandle, but when it comes to konto rights eSouth Africa akatendi. Ufuna kuthola ama-Nobel Prizes, ufuna ukuthi bantu bambone as a hero, yet bantu base-South Africa country yakhe la i-president khona they are suffering. So uyasho lo bhuti ukuthi we are tired of Ramaphosa, akasala phuma. Abantu abaningi bakhathele guys ngile president le naye ngiyo le donse isikhathi leside compared to bonke lalabanye, but ayikho into lasida ngayo South Africa. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.